Dimples Romana is a Filipino actress. In 2019, she gained mainstream recognition as Daniella Mondragon-Bartolome in the afternoon drama series Kadenang Ginto. A still photo of Romana's character flamboyantly strolling with a briefcase later became the subject of an internet meme, spawning numerous photoshopped images of the Daniela character being depicted as traveling to different places and fictional universes. Romana would later parody her role in a number of commercials and guest appearances and was named an ambassador for the Department of Tourism. Romana finished at International Hospitality Management, major in Culinary Arts at Enderun College after she finished her studies. Romana's first appearance as a supporting antagonist role on TV was via Esperanza in 1997, and after which she became one of the stars of the ABS-CBN series Tabing Ilog in 1999. Romana was married to Romeo Edesar Aumi Jr. in 2004. They have 3 children born in 2003, 2015 and 2022. In later 2010 to 2011, she was in the remake version of Mara Clara as Alvira del Vel. Her character name was renamed from Almira to Alvira, which was first portrayed by Beverly Virgil. In 2008, she once again co-starred in the Star Cinemas film When Love Begins. She was cast in the film Love Me Again. In 2009, Romana starred in the television series Only You. In 2010, Romana played Criselda Barameda, the villain of the series Agua Bendita. In 2005, she was cast on ABS-CBN's Ang Pande. Additionally, she was in Dubai. The next year, she starred in Pakuao, the movie, and the horror film Wak Kang Lilingon. Romana also starred in 2007 film One More Chance. Romana finished at International Hospitality Management, major in Culinary Arts at Enderun College after she finished her studies. Romana's first appearance as a supporting antagonist role on TV was via Speranza in 1997, and after which she became one of the stars of the ABS-CBN series Tabing Ilog in 1999. Romana, who was taking up BS Tourism in University of Santo Thomas UST College of Education, was the courtside reporter on games involving the UST Growling Tigers on the 2002 season of ABS-CBN's coverage of the UAAP Men's Basketball Tournament.